So this is an iPhone, and this is Marques Brownlee, also known as MKBHD. So I made a very cool and sleek setup for him, and I'm gonna show you step by step how to get this for your iPhone. Here's how you're gonna get it done. Heads up to the link in the description and download the wallpapers and also the applications that we're gonna utilize today. Once you have your wallpaper set, the first thing that we're gonna need to do is to set up the widget. Heads up to the application which is called Brass. In this application you need to go to the widget section at the bottom and then click at the plus at the top. I'm gonna go with the transparent icon, and then if you click on choose style, you have the option here to select a simple one without anything. I want to keep it very minimal, so I will select the transparent widget. Click on add, and then let's go back to the home screen and let's click on plus, click on brass. Once you have the brass widget in the home screen, you need to click and hold, add widget, and then you need to select the widget that you just created. Let's go back to the application again and let's create another widget. This one will be the clock. So again, transparent widget and choose style, and I like this middle one with the clock here. Once you have the widget set at the home screen, the next step is to take a screenshot. So take a screenshot of your home screen and then open the application that is called Luxe. Now once you are in this application, you go to the transparent section and then click at the top and select the screenshot that you just took. Then click in the import section and scroll down to the bottom, and you will see that the screenshot is there with the placeholders for your icons. So as a next step, I'll click here and I will create my first transparent icon. So click on save and then click on OK at the top, and that's it. Let's move to the next icon. This one I want the camera. Where is it? Okay, camera. Same process. Click on save and click at the top, and that's it. Now next one, I want the gallery. So it's important to keep in mind that in order to keep the icons right at the middle, you're gonna need to create invisible icons around it. This is the only workaround that we have in order to keep icons centralized with iOS. So this is just to give you an idea how to create the icons. Now it's up to you to choose the icons that you want and how many icons that you want. Once you have the icons placeholders in the application, the next step is to go to the shortcuts. The first thing that we're gonna need to do is to create empty shortcuts for the invisible icons that are not linked to anything. Remember those icons that we created just to make sure that we can have icons centralized in the home screen. So yeah, we're gonna need to create some shortcuts for those icons as well, but not linking to anywhere, if you know what I mean, if that makes sense. Bear with me and you're gonna understand why. Click on plus at the top, and then you don't need to select any action here. Just click at the blue icon and click add to home screen. Remember to delete the name and then click shortcut, choose photo, and then choose the first one that we created. Okay, so this will be the first shortcut. Okay, you you don't see here because it's invisible. Okay, that's why you don't see. But bear with me, you're gonna understand why. Let's go back again to the shortcuts app, click on done, and let's add another shortcut. This one will be for the actual application. And I choose the camera, right? So open app, and then here I will choose camera. Yeah. Then at the top I click at the blue icon and then add to home screen. Remember to remove the name. Click on here, choose photo and choose the icon that we want to add. Click on add, and that's it. Now you see that the icon is sitting here right in the middle, and the only way that can be made possible is by having an invisible icon here, right here. You see, this is an invisible icon. Alright, so you got the point, right? So you need to do this for all the applications that we want to add. So you got the point, that's pretty much it. I choose different apps here, but the concept is the same. Now here's the interesting part. You see, if I click on the icon, it opens without any notification at the top. Now if you want to learn how to get rid of this annoying notification that usually appears when you have a shortcut, check out this video when I teach you how to get this done. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.